What up, guys? We're going to give you another update on the 240. Here she is. So far, not a ton done with this. Did get a bunch of chase base stuff. We got more in there. We'll do another video on all that stuff. But yeah, getting it ready to put the new motor in. So the new motor that we got is right behind us, and it's going to be pretty badass. Here it is. Picked up a 2002 Camaro SS. And actually, the power plant in it is a 6.0 truck block out of a Silverado 2500. They put everything's been gone through. LS3 heads, LS3 intake, custom cam, Y-scope pistons, and then it's got a little bit of a built T56 in it. So we're gonna take that out, throw it in there. So yeah, there's a few more things we got to do. I got mostly everything taken apart. We are going to drop it out the bottom. So there's a few more little things that I got to do, and then we'll show the time lapse of, or I'll come back and show you guys lifting the body off the motor. Then we can button this thing up, get rid of that, and throw it in the 240. So here we go. Alright, so we're at the point where we're gonna start lifting the body up from the motor. We got sides is drooped out. We got the dolly underneath. I still got to take the transmission member mount out, but you can kind of see it's already a little bit lower. Both sides drooping. And we'll take the other bolts out, and then we'll start lifting. think everyone who works on stuff at home can all agree that whenever you think you're going to go outside and work on something for a few hours, turns into an all-day affair. But we just about got the motor out. Get some light on so you guys can see it. But yeah, I'm going to finish pulling her out, and then got to strip it down off the thing and put it back together and get rid of this roller. So, alright, so just to close out this video real quick, we'll show you that got the motor out, so that's all set. We'll take the motor off the front subframe tomorrow, put the subframe back into the Camaro, and then get the roller sold. So then we can start working on this and getting this prepped to go into the 240. And tomorrow we'll do all the chase bays, brake booster, delete, clutch master, and then all of the lines for that as well. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe and get you some Airdout gear. Peace.